Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom token in Trust Wallet. So let's dive in. First, you want to open your Trust Wallet app on your phone. And once you are on the main screen, you'll see current tokens listed along with options like send, swap, fund, and sell. And to add a new custom token, you want to tap this icon, this one right over here. There we go. And from here, you want to choose Manage Crypto. Now, this is where you control which cryptocurrencies are visible in your wallet. After tapping that, you'll be taken to Manage Crypto section where all of your added tokens are listed. And then from here, you want to look for the plus icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Tap it, and you'll be redirected to the Import Crypto page. Now, this is where the magic happens. Now, you'll see a field asking for a contract address or simply address. This part is very important. The address is what uniquely identifies the token you want to add. So you'll need to copy the correct contract address from the token's official website or a trusted crypto tracking platform. Once you paste that address into the field, Trust Wallet will usually autofill the token's name, symbol, decimals for you. That's how you know you've entered the correct one. Finally, you want to tap the import button at the very bottom part. And as soon as you do that, the token will appear in your wallet and you'll be able to track its balance and make transactions just like your other assets. That's it. Adding a custom token in Trust Wallet is quick once you have the correct contract address. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.